Through this video, I'm using pen for demonstration purposes only. This is to ensure that you can see all lines in which I'm creating when marking out. Pen is not used when marking wood, as it stains the wood as the ink from the pen get absorbed from the fibre of the wood. I'm only using the pen for demonstration purposes only so that you can see it, and pencil is always used when marking out. The marking gauge consists of four main parts: the stem, the stock, the locking screw, and also the spur. The stock of the marking gauge can run up and down the stem to ensure that it makes a parallel marking to the surface that it's being used on. The marking gauge mark lines parallel to the surface. As the stock is housed to the stem and the spur sticks out of the stem, it creates a parallel line to one another. As the stock is 90 degrees to the stem, this ensures that when you run the stock along face side or face edge of your piece, it creates a perfectly parallel line. What does parallel mean? Parallel means two lines or surfaces that will never meet. For example, the two rails on a railway track, as shown in the picture. When setting the distance on the marking gauge, it is important to have good control over both the tool and the ruler. This is why we put our elbows into our sides to ensure that we have good control over both tools. If our hands were out in the air, both tools would have the tendency to move, and you wouldn't have as much control over both the tools as when your elbows are in by your side. When setting the distance between the stock and the spur, it is important to measure from the stock to the tip of the spur. You can adjust the stock by twisting the adjustment screw and moving it to the correct distance. Once again, it is extremely important to measure to the top of the spur, as this provides a better, accurate and more precise measurement.